In this example, we're going to be looking at dictionaries in Python 3. So dictionaries are basically declared with curly brackets. Um, let's do an example. We will build a variable called ship, and we'll give it some key value pairs. So let's start by calling ship. We'll use curly bracket, and then let's go ahead and give this a name. Let's call it lunar, and then we'll also give a speed, and maybe this will be a number. We'll say we can travel at speed 10. All right, let's save that. Okay, now let's go ahead and print ship and see what we get. All right, you can see here the dictionary. So next we'll see how to remove key value pairs with del, which is delete. So why don't we go ahead and just print out an extra space here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and take ship, and we're going to delete speed. So we'll do delete ship and speed. Then we'll go ahead and print ship again, and we'll add a new line. Save and run. Oops, I can't do that. Let's see. Save and run. All right, we can see here that speed has been deleted. Okay, let's go ahead and print another space. All right, next, let's go ahead and add some more settings here to that. Let's see here. Let's add, maybe we'll add a class type. Let's call this a cruiser. Let's just say type instead of class, because class is a keyword. Oh, actually type is too. Let's call it class type. And then what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and add speed again. And we'll add maybe 9. Let's go ahead and print. Well, actually, we're gonna loop through with the for loop. So for, and we're gonna say for the key and the value in ship, we're gonna go ahead and print key plus space, and then we're gonna print value, and value is a integer, so actually that should work fine. Let's give that a try. Yeah, so let's convert that to a string. Save, run. Oh, yes, items function. save, run. Okay, there we go. We can see that it printed out the name, lunar, class type, cruiser, speed, 9. The reason we added the string function here is because value does include a number which may not concatenate here with the rest of the string. Okay, so now let's just loop through the keys with the keys method. So for, we'll say key in ship dot keys, we're going to print key. Let's go ahead and save and run. There we go. We just have the keys. And then for the next one, we'll use values. So for value in ship dot values, we're going to print the value. And save and run. And here we can see now we're just printing the value. Okay, next we'll demonstrate a list of dictionaries. So let's create a couple of more ships. Ship 2 with just maybe a name. So we'll give a name. Let's call this Stargazer, and we'll do one more ship. And let's call this Explorer. Okay, and then we'll create a list here that's going to be docked in a star station or star base. So star base is empty now, but let's go ahead and add ship 2 and ship 3. Okay, and then let's print out starbase and see what that looks like. Alright, here we can see that the dictionaries are in here as objects. Alright, next we'll create a list in a dictionary. So let's pretend that ship has, let's say ship has submissions, and we want to assign them. So missions that it's completed or it's been involved in, and we're going to create a list here, and we'll say we'll just use like op1, operation 1. We'll say op2, maybe we'll do one more, op3. Okay, and then let's go ahead and print ship, run it. Okay, now here we could see that the list has been added in missions, and it's a now if we want to access just the missions, ship missions, save. Let's print a space here. Okay, now we can see it's just the missions. Okay, next we're going to create a dictionary in a dictionary. Okay, so we have ships. Let's add maybe, what would be something we could add here? Maybe an engine type. engine, and then it's going to be a dictionary, and maybe this engine has a type of engine. Maybe this is like a warp drive, and maybe it has a max speed of like, let's say 9.97. Okay, let's go ahead and print out ship. There we go. Alright, great. Alright, so those are just some quick examples of how to use dictionaries in Python 3. Thank you for watching.